Hello, my dear student of class 6 mathematics. In the last classes, we already discussed about whole numbers. So, today we will discuss about exercise 2.2. Now, here given find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Suitable rearrangement means, suppose given three numbers 6, 2 and 4, and for this number we find the sum of three numbers. So for make it easy, we first adding 6 and 4, then we add 2. Now sum of this means sum equals to 6 plus 2 plus 4. Now for make it easy, we first adding 6 and 4. That means 6 plus 4, then we add 2. Now this is 6 plus 4 means 10, and 10 plus 2 we get 12. Now in another example, suppose given 7 plus 5 plus 3. So we see that 7 plus 3, this is 10. So we first adding these two numbers, 7 plus 3. This is equals to 7 plus 3. Then we add 5. Now 7 plus 3 is 10, and 10 plus 5, 15. So in this similar way, we number 1a. So first we done number 1a. Here given three numbers, and first 837, 208, 363. Now 837, 208 and 363. First we see the one places of this digit. Now in this number, one places is 7. This is in ones places, and in this number 8 is ones places, and this 3 is ones places. So first we adding this one places number. Suppose we add 8 plus 3, then we get 11, not 10. So first we add 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. So we add this and this number. Now 837 plus 363. Next we add this number 208. So we get this 837 plus 208 plus 363. So this and this we adding this number 837 plus 363 plus 208. So we get 1408. Now next we add number b. Number b is given three number. First 1962, next 453. Sorry, given 4 number, not 3. 647. So first we see this one digit, one places. So in this number, one places is 2, had 3, had 8, had 7. Now we add this one places number. 2 plus 3, 5, not 10. 2 plus 8, 10. So we add this and this. That means 1962 plus 1538. And next we add 3 plus 7, 10. So we add 453 plus 647. Now 453 plus 647. And we write this in the bracket, in the first bracket. Now adding this number we get 3500, and there is 1100. So we get 4600. This is the answer of 1b. Now next we try number 2. number 2. Here find the product by suitable rearrangement. Find the product. So in number 1 we first find the sum. So now we find the product. Suppose you get 3 number 7, 5 and 2. 7 into 5 into 2. Now if we multiply 5 and 2, then we get 10. So suppose first you multiply 5 and 2. 7 into in the bracket 5 into 2. So 7 into 5 into 2 means 10. So 7 into 10, 70. Now in another example, suppose you get 25 into 3 into 4. Now here if we multiply 3 and 4, then we get 12, not 10 or 100 or 1000. We not get this, we get 12. So we multiply another 25 into 3, that means 75. So again we not get 10, 100 or 1000. Now we multiply 25 into 4. 25 into 4 means 100. So we first multiply this. So we multiply 25 into 4 in the bracket. Next we multiply 3. Now we get 25 into 4, 100, and into 3, that means 300. So we try number 2. Given 2 into 1768 into 50. Now here we given 2 into 1768 into 50. So we see that 2 into 50, that means 100, and then this. So we first multiply 2 and 50. So we write this in the bracket 2 into 50, and next 1768. So we get, this is 100, this is 1768. So we get 1768, and there is 2 zeros. This is 1,76,800. This is the process of finding product. Actually this is easy process. Now next we try number B. 4 into 166 into 25. Now for getting 10, 100, 1000, first we see that 1 places. 1 places means these places. Here this is 5, this is 6. So if we multiply 5 by 2, 4, then we get 10 places or 100 places. Then first we multiply 4 and 25 because here is 5. So 4 into 25, and next 166. Now 4 into 25 means 100 and 166. So we get 166. These 2 zeros. So we get this. Now next number D. Here given 6 to 5 into 279 into 16. Now here we get, here is 1 places is 5, here 1 places is 9, and here 1 places is 6. So we multiply 5 by 6. So 6 to 5 into 16, and next 279. So we get, this is 10,000 into 279. So we get 279 is 4 zeros, 2,79,000. So this product value is 2,79,000. Now next we try number 8. Here given 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. Now here 1 places is 5, here 0, here 8, and again 5. Now if we multiply 5 by 5, then we get 25, not get 10, 100 or 1000. So we multiply 5 by 8, then we get 40. That means 0 in 1 places. So first we multiply 125 into 8. And next we multiply 40 into 25. Because if we multiply 40 by 25, then we get 0 in 10 places, in 1 places. 40 into 25. 1000 into, this is also 1000. So we get this is number 8, and this is 10 lakh. So the product value is 10 lakh. This is number 2F. So in this similar way, you should try number C and E at your home. Number C and E from math number 2. So next day we will try from number 3. Thank you.